Draw a line A to B. Mark cross depths and label it C. Extend the line from C and A. Connect them and make a rectangle. Measure a point from E and label it F. Divide E to F into 2. Square down 8 cm. Draw 2 cm wide darts. Connect F to C with a slightly curved line. Mark one side of D to E. Extend the line. Connect G and H. Draw diagonal line from D. Divide it into 3. Make curved line through the point. Extend B. Divide C to H. Square down to the line extended from B. Measure a line from J to K. Measure the same distance J to L. Divide I to J. Join C and K. Extend M.